Today I wanted to share this awesome new automation I've created. So imagine never having to spend a single second manually researching into a prospect prior to the sales call. You would simply open your CRM and all the key information would be there ready for you to use during the call. This is insanely useful and would save you a ton of time, as well as equip you with all the information you could possibly need. So here's how it works. Our prospect would book in a call. We use Go High Level, so we have a booking calendar set up within High Level. You can of course choose to use HubSpot or Calendly or some other platform. And when booking the call, we pass over the website URL, Instagram URL, and LinkedIn URL, just like so. So I'll go ahead and do that. So I'll just fill in the details. And grab my website. And we can go ahead and schedule that. So as soon as the call is booked and scheduled, we have an automation set up within High Level, which triggers a webhook to pass the information to Make, and also sends appointment reminders to our leads as well. So when an introductory call is booked, it goes down this branch here and it calls that webhook and it adds the lead to our pipeline, and it also sends a bunch of reminders and confirmations as well. So if you're using something like Calendly, you could set this up so that when a call is booked, it would just directly trigger the Make automation. But in this case, we're calling a webhook to pass the data over and trigger the Make automation via that method. So you can see here, the Make automation has just finished running. So within this automation, we're scraping data from their website, Instagram, and LinkedIn, and feeding all of that into a ChatGPT completion step, which puts together all the key information and creates a note and passes that into our CRM. So in order to scrape their website, we're using the HTTP module to make a request, and that scrapes all the HTML information from their website. We then use a text parser to convert the HTML into text, and that makes it a bit easier for ChatGPT to interpret. And then for the Instagram data, we are using a tool called Scraper API. So you can see that here. So Instagram Scraper API, that's within Rapid API, and that gives you up to 500 requests for free per month, which is pretty good. And then for the LinkedIn scraping as well, we're using the same sort of tool. We're using Rapid API again, and we're using their fresh LinkedIn profile data scraper there, and that gives you up to 100 requests for free per month. So if we go back to High Level, we can see a comprehensive breakdown of everything. So here we can see the lead, and we can see all of the information passed over from ChatGPT after scraping their website, LinkedIn, and Instagram profiles. So you can see a good overview of everything, which equips us nicely for the meeting. So if you have any questions about this automation, feel free to drop me a comment down below or send me a DM. And if you want to set this up for yourself, feel free to let me know and I'll send over further details. Thanks.